Hello everyone, I'm here to show how to solve the exact problem. An exact differential equation is formed by directly differentiating its primitive without any other process. Is said to be an exact differential equation if it satisfies the following condition: is dava m upon dava y equals to dava n upon dava x. So we will be given an equation like this: m into dx xy dx plus n into xy dy. So we will take the dx part as m and dy part as n. First we will make it equation 1 and equation 2. We will take the m part and derivate it with respect to y, keeping the x constant, and taking the n part, derivating it with respect to x, keeping the y constant. And when both the answers of these equations is equal, so that means condition for being exact is true. So here we have been given a question which is y square minus x square into dx plus 2xy dy. Now we will take the dx part as m and name it as equation 1, and we will take the dy part as n and name it as equation 2. So we will take the equation 1, which is the m part, m equals to y square minus x square. We will derivate it with respect to y, keeping the x constant. So its answer will be 2y. And here we will take the equation 2, which is the n part, and derivate it with respect to x, keeping the y constant. So derivative of x is 1 and 1 into 2y. Answer is 2y. So the answer of dava m upon dava y is 2y and dava n upon dava x is 2y. The answers of both the equations are same. This means condition for being exact is true. Now thirdly, there is a step. We will integrate the equation 1 with respect to x. Here it is how it's done, which is the integral dava m upon dava f upon dava x integral, which is equals to m dava x equals to integral of y square minus x square with respect to x. Its integral will become f equals to minus x cube upon 3 plus hx, because we have integrated with respect to x. So that means the y would become 0 and the integral of x is minus x cube upon 3, and hx is the constant, x constant. Now we will derivate the equation a with respect to y partially. Dava f upon dava y equals to dava upon dava y minus x cube upon 3 plus hx. So dava f upon dava y is equals to n, and we will derivate it with respect to y, so x would become as a constant. So it will become 0 and the hx is the constant. We will derivate it, it would become h dash x, putting the value of n, which is 2xy equals to h dash x, integrating on both sides, which will become h dash x, 2x as a constant, integral of y, and hx equals to 2x y square upon 2. 2 would be cut from here and the value of hx would become hx equals to xy square plus c. Now we will put the value of hx in equation a and we will get the answer. We will put the value of hx, which is xy square plus c, in equation a. So it will become f equals to minus x cube plus 3 plus xy square plus c. This is our answer. Thank you.